try me.
All right. Let you call the shots.
Perfect. Now we're both on the same page. Now, how are we going to move forward from this?
I know if I get close to the wife, I must get the husband.
Bingo.
You know I'm about to fly. But question still, that little something he asked you about, how that say?
So, everything is packaged and put aside for you. All you have to do is just to do your work.
Okay, boss lady. We good. We'll deal with that for you.
Oh, Zero. And about Miss Pursuit, you can deal with her after. My problem solved, your problem solved. And I mean, you can deal with her just like how you deal with Savage. After all, I don't like that bitch anyways.
Death too easy. Got something special for Miss Xpressionz. I'm gonna send her to the same place she sent my daddy. But maybe a little longer. She's not gonna get out. Trust me on that. Talk to you later, pretty lady.
Okay. David, you startled me. What you doing here?
You left without saying goodbye.
You were tired. I just wanted you to get all the rest that you need because you worked really hard.
Funny. I've never fell asleep like that before.
Because you've never gotten it like that before.
In my pants?
I mean, sweetheart, we were both hungry for each other. I mean, you couldn't wait.
You do know it's been 2 weeks, right?
Yes, honey, I know that it's been 2 weeks, but you've been here the last time and you saw the place. It was a whole mess. I've been busy with the car wash, I've been busy with the bar, busy with the restaurant. It's like a whole lot I have to deal with, and it's hard.
Busy little bee. Well, I hope you're getting things done.
You mean like how you did me?
I must be getting old, but I don't remember much of anything.
David, that means I'm getting even better. I'm not the inexperienced girl you met a couple years ago. I am way more mature and way more experienced to be doing certain things, you know?
So you've been practicing?
Yes.
So next time, at least stay for breakfast.
You know I'm always walking around with breakfast.
Well, I have some people I have to go and brief.
Brief? Why you gonna go and put on brief on other people? I can take off yours.
Who told you I'm wearing?
You're not wearing any? No, I feel like I'm all wet. I'm soaked.
You see? I have figured it out.
Which is what?
If you were a geographical landmass, you know what they would call you?
What?
Temptation Island.
Damn it.
call it one for the team.